Hello friends, it's Daryl. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently, well it's not really quick, but efficiently and cheaply transfer your old VHS tapes over to digital MP4 files that can be easily shared with your friends or online. 15 bucks for the adapter and another $5 or $10 for the RCA patch cord you need to use. Let's get to it and show you how it works. First, you'll need a working VCR, which I know a lot of people don't have anymore, but you can pick these up on Marketplace for anywhere from $10 to $25 in my experience. Be careful and test them before you take it home and pay the people, because this is the third one I had to buy. The first two had broken belts because these things have been sitting around so long. The dry belts crack and break as soon as you try and use them. 3 cables with red, white, and yellow terminals, and the terminals are going to plug into the back of your VCR in the 3 outlet ports there. Plug the other end of the patch cord into the adapter card. You're going to plug the adapter into your port. Mine's an older model, so I'm using the SATA port, but the newer ones all come for USB port, which makes it nice. There's a power light to let you know it's working. We'll download the software that comes with your purchase. Start the software. This window here is going to come up. The big chart on top is going to be your display screen, which shows what you're actually recording. And then down here is the control panel. Composite or S-Video if you're using that. And you really don't do anything else to these. If you can adjust the volume up and down here, that's it. You've got the record button and the play button. Start the VCR on play, and then that should pop up in our screen. Oh, there we go. Look at that. And that's actually not a home movie. And as soon as you start playing, you'll hit the red button to record. And if you zoom in, you can see a counter going that tells you how many seconds you've been recording. And you just let it set and run, and it'll record. Some of them record like 25 to 30 minutes and then shut off, and you have to start a second file. Others will record for the whole movie for you. You just keep an eye on your screen there to see where you're at. And if the video stops recording, go ahead and stop the process, because you don't want to waste a lot of digital space recording a blank fuzzy screen. Stop the playing. We'll stop recording. Hit the red button again to stop recording. And it'll show up down here as your most recent file. Click that and hit play. Play exactly what we showed you before. There you go. Video showing what we recorded. We ended up getting about 50 seconds of video there before we shut it off. And you can see where we hit stop and stop the process. Pretty darn easy. And cheap too. This is pretty easy, I gotta tell you. Anybody could do this, I think. You're going to be all in for under 20 bucks. Record as many of your home movies as you like. This is not for pirating. Home videos, things that you recorded yourself, is the legal use for this product. I'll put a link for this Easy Capture video converter in the description of the video. And if you have old VHS tapes lying around and access to a working VCR and a laptop or desktop computer, you can transfer all these files yourself. And they end up as MP4 files. And honestly, they don't take up a lot of room. The one I did was a home movie clip of a graduation ceremony. It was 25 minutes long. The resolution on this one was 352 by 240, which isn't huge, but for VHS tape, it is what it is. You're not going to make it full HD quality. 25-minute video took up 313 megabytes of memory, which really isn't that bad at all. Pick one of these up. Give it a try. You can always send it back within 30 days if you find out it doesn't work the way you want it to. And preserve your home memories while you still can, because these tapes will go bad after a while. They get dirty, they get brittle, just like the belts in the VCRs go bad. The tapes themselves can go bad. They can even get moldy from what I've heard. If you're getting a used VCR, you might want to try and pick up, if you can find one somewhere, a head cleaner tape, because, it's probably going to be dirty. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Save some money. Bye for now.